Happy anniversary me. Sana sa second anniversary natin mas spend natin together ito. Kahit walang dinner date, hindi basta kasama lang kita by next year. Okay na. I love you so much. Happy anniversary ulit. You and I will always collide. The dawn is breaking, a light shining through. You're barely waking, and I'm tangled up in you. You're open, I'm close. Where you go, I follow. Oh, hurry, I want to see your face. Light up again, even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills your mind, I somehow find you when I collide. You're quiet, I know. I'll make the first impression. I found I'm scared to know I'm always on your